Good morning everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Today in this video we are going to learn how to use the verb to be in the past was, were. So we use was and were to talk about some event, person or events, persons in time frame which has already passed. As we all know, singular means one and plural means more than one. Here we have a list of singular and plural pronouns. Pronouns means a word used instead of nouns. When we use a word instead of nouns, it is called pronouns. First person singular I becomes we in the plural forms. Second person singular you remains as it is in the plural form. And third person singular he, she, it becomes they in the plural form. So was is used for singular ones, whereas were is used with plural ones. So let's have some examples to understand the uses of was and were. Was is used when we talk only about one person. I was, he was, she was, it was, and with singular nouns was is used. Singular noun means one person, one place, one animal or one thing. When we talk about only one, there we use was. So let's us go through some examples to know the uses of was. I was going to see the circus. With I we are using was. He was playing chess. With he we are using was. She was watching television. She was. It was raining yesterday. It was. Father was reading the newspaper. Here we are talking about only one person, so was is used. Anna was cooking food. Anna is only one person, so we are using was. The aeroplane was flying in the sky. Only one aeroplane, so we will use was. So was is used when we talk about only one. Were. Were is used when we talk about more than one person and plural form. Plural nouns means more than one person, more than one place, more than one animal or more than one thing is called as plural nouns. We were, you were, they were, and plural nouns with were is used. So we will have some examples. We were working hard. We were, more than one. You were playing. You were. They were visiting the fair. They were when we talk about more than one. Monkeys were jumping on the tree. Here we are not talking about only one monkey, hence were is used. Boys were running. Not one boy, so many boys are there, so boys were. Girls were singing songs. More than one girl, so girls were. So always remember were is used when we talk about more than one person. Now let us revise the uses of was and were by few more examples. Let's have a look. They were enjoying at the show. He was tired. They were playing in the ground. It was raining. We were at the meeting. Now here we have a test series to test our mind. The uses of was and were. Remember, was is used for one and were is used for more than one. So the first sentence is, he dash doing his homework. Neeta dash reciting the poem. You dash singing a song. I dash taking a bath. We dash studying. Think all the answers and your time starts now. Now let's see the answers. He was doing his homework. Neeta was reciting the poem. You were singing a song. I was taking a bath. We were studying. I hope with the help of this video you have easily understood the topic of was and were. Do ample practice of it. Thank you.